Present progressive tenses. To form the present progressive tense, we will need a noun plus the verb to be plus the verb with ing and finally the complement. For example, I am eating pizza. We can use the present progressive tense to talk about actions that are happening at the moment of speaking. For example, I am doing my homework. To talk about fixed plans in the near future. For example, we are going to the doctor on Monday. To talk about temporary actions. For example, I am working in Cuenca this week. To talk about trends. For example, a lot of people are buying pink pants nowadays. To make questions, using the present progressive tense, invert the noun and the verb to be. For example, are you watching a movie?